Hi, it's Hillary, and today we are doing a very special unboxing. Um, I have just ordered a hanging thing from another Instagrammer. His name is Eric, and there's going to be a link below. But I believe he say his last name is a Godoy. I honestly don't know. I should have checked that out. But anyway, I had this doorknob that I was going to use, and I thought, oh, can I put it on the on the wall, and I couldn't figure out how to do it without making a big mess. And I wondered, after seeing some of his wreaths, I'm like, can you incorporate this into something that I can use in my Poshmark closet and for photographs that I can hang, my hanging items from? And he said, well, yes, I could. So here is our giant box. I took all the paper and stuff off of it already, but I did not look inside. And he sent me pictures, so I have an idea of how it might look. But, you never really know until you just get that all open and you see it in the scope. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I want to cry. It's so pretty. Oh, I think I am crying. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm sorry, I actually am crying. Whoops. Oh, whoops. Sorry, little birdie. I didn't see you had a hook. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh wait, you weren't attached. Or were you? I'm sorry. Look at it. It's got a little birdie. And a little card. I'm going to be that person and not look at the card first, because I just want you to see. I'm going to try to move this up. I am like in the stupidest corner of my house. I was not planning this well. I'm sitting with my back against the fireplace, and the fireplace is on, and the back is just like 900 degrees right now. Oh my gosh, but look how gorgeous that is. I shouldn't even own anything that pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to get it out. Oh wow, look at, these are all like individual jewels. Look at that, and buttons. Look at this one. I think that's my favorite. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at that one. I think that one's my favorite. That looks like a shoe clip. Seriously, Eric, this is the most amazing thing I have ever seen. And I can't even get it out of the box. Oh my gosh, seriously? I'm already just wanting to redo my whole closet right now and just take photos with this beautiful wreath. Oh my word. Look at that. Okay, hang on just a second. Okay, so goofy me, I forgot I just needed to record this vertically for Instagram. But oh my word. That is just so luscious. Okay. And then let me show you the back. Oh, you can still see some of my, I think this was the one. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Oh. And here's my little hangy do. Did you? And that's glittery. Oh my gosh, that's glittery. How beautiful is that? Okay. And then left in the box here, I think the doorknob portion. Yeah, I'm just like a 6-year-old at Christmas. See, this is the original doorknob. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is that not the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen? Now I don't even want to photograph my closet. I feel like everything I'm going to put next to that is just going to pale in comparison. Oh gosh, that is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And it's so poofy and lovely. And look at the way that the doorknob is just there. Oh, wow. Eric, that is just amazing. Thank you. You have outdone. You have outdone yourself. I am the luckiest person in the world right now.